Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious porridge for dinner. Let's get started. I'll start by adding little oil into my dry pot. And once the oil heats up, I'll add a little salt to season it and then fry some onions. After frying the onions for about 2 minutes, I'll add the pepper mix. This is just a mixture of peppers and tatashi which I boiled and blended. I'll then stir and mix it together and allow to fry for a few minutes also. Then I'll season it with about half a teaspoon of ginger and the garlic powder, curry powder, seasoning cubes or seasoning powder, some crayfish, and then stir everything together. I'll be using dry fish for this, so I will add and also stir together. Then add about 1 cup of water to cook it for about 2-3 minutes before adding our next ingredients. And our sauce or stew base is ready, and this can go for anything. You can use this to make your jollof rice. You can equally use it to eat your boiled rice. You can use it for your yam, for your plantains, for your pasta, for your anything you want. But for this we are making porridge plantain, so I'm going to add the plantain which I've already washed and cut into tiny pieces. So let's go ahead and add our plantain. After mixing the plantain and the sauce, I'll then add enough water to cover the plantain. I like to add enough water to the top of it so that the water will be enough to cook the plantain without me adding water in between. This will also help it to be more delicious and will also cook the plantain. I like my porridge juicy, so this will be enough for it. Just make sure when you're adding the water, let it be on top, above the plantain level, and then we'll cover and cook until the plantain is soft. Look at that gorgeous color. It is time to check if our plantain is well cooked before we stir it. So I just checked and it is still remaining about 5 minutes. It is not that soft as I want it, so I will allow it to cook for about 5 minutes more before stirring it. And after about 5 minutes, let's stir it. I want to add a little more crayfish. And as I tested it, the salt in it is okay. The pepper checked. Everything checked. Now we're adding this leaf, scent leaf. Porridge is ready. You bring your plate. Let's serve you. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you all in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.